Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing or bagging. This is my monthly subscription from Sew Susan. And I am really enjoying this little bag. This is my second one. Yes, this is my second one. And the quality of bag that you get is way better. Although it's one of your items, it is way better than the bags that I feel like I've received from Ipsy or something like that. So, ooh, she's cute. Look at this month's bag. All the little lippies, super cute. They could probably get away with this at the 4th of July time because of all the colors, but isn't that just adorable? Love it. Okay. I thought last month I would have gotten a product card, but I'm not seeing a product card this month, which is fine. This bag is lined, so it does have the lining in it. It's a very thick quality, so it's going to last for a long time. Love the bag. This does, again, account for one of your items. Now the next thing we have here is, oh, look at that packaging. This is from the brand, their brand, Sew Susan. But you can see all of the buildings. Yes, all of the buildings on the packaging. Love, love, love that. This is in Lipopout, is it? Okay, let's see if we can get it open. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to use that. Look at that. I'm not going to be, what is this? I'm not going to be able to use this shade. Is this a lips? This is in the shade Paris, I guess. But it is a bullet lipstick. Not in my shade. Y'all can't pull that off. What am I going to do with this? I'm not going to swatch it. I'm just going to, and it does have the cardboard top and bottom. Put that back on there. Okay, so that is our lipstick. This will probably go in a future giveaway because there's, oh no, there's nothing I can do with that. So from Trifle Cosmetics, we have Glow Icing Highlighting Power Duo. Super cute packaging, kind of reminds me of Beauty Bakery kind of stuff, with the food and stuff on there. It is 100% cruelty-free. We get the shades Bright Rose and Bright Cream. It is vegan, no parabens, no gluten, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic. I don't know, y'all. Okay. Here we go. What's that? Is that twist? Okay, yeah, it does twist. Okay. So those are our shades there. A very light, kind of a lavenderish pink. And the tradition. Oop! Y'all, I cannot. That needs to be glued back in. But anyway, those are the shades. I'll try to hold that there. Those are the shades there. Yep. Woo-wee. I'm not having great luck with these. You can hear it jiggling around in there. So it's not glued down, but that's fine. Next we have from, again, Trifle Cosmetics. This is the lip gel stain. So this is the packaging on. So there's the packaging on the lip stain, and cruelty-free and vegan-free. Oh. Ooh. So that's the shade there on the lip stain. Okay, so, okay, it blends out to kind of a, it's kind of sheer once you blend it. Okay, that's the lip stain. And then our final item is from Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics. This is the Plasma Palette. It's supposed to be ultra saturated, and it's supposed to be an ultra saturated eyeshadow palette. So that is the packaging on that. Here's that. Let's see what she's looking like. Come on. Okay. Yeah, it does have a mirror. So those are the shades there. I'm really loving this shade. It's kind of a copper shade. Of course, I love them all. And they all seem to be shimmer shades, so no mattes. Well, it says that it is a mousse powder hybrid formula, virtually fallout free, and delivers a sensational metallic foiled finish. Okay, let's swatch a little bit. Let's just swatch. I do want to see this shade. Oh yes, that's so, you see that? Cute. Let's swatch it next to this. That's just one time going in that pretty. We might as well swatch them all. They're all so soft. That's the next one. Super cute. Ah, yes. That's a darker brown. Ah, yes. That goes great with my skin tone. That. Look at those shades. Super cute. Look at those shades. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Not mad at the palette. Not mad at the palette. So I'm seeing a trend from Trifle, So Susan, and Jelly Pong Pong. Maybe those are the only brands that we're ever going to see in this bag. I don't know. This is my second month. But let's do a recap of all the great items we got. We have the bag, which does, again, count for one of your items. We have the Glow Icing Highlighting Powder Duo. This will go in a future giveaway. Lipstick. The Lip Stain from Trifle Cosmetics. And then from Jelly Pong Pong, the Eyeshadow Palette. Yes. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this month's bag. And I will see you all on another video. Thanks for watching.